Hello everyone, in this video we will learn reporting phishing emails in Microsoft Outlook. So let's start. Open your Outlook application, and here I just show you the what is the phishing emails means. Okay, so I just open this my notepad, and here you can see the phishing emails often look like they come from the trusted sources such as banks, delivery services, or even Outlook or Microsoft, but they usually fake links that lead to the malicious website attachment that can be installed malware. Urgent message example, your account will be locked. Click here to verify to make you act quickly. Okay, so don't click the link anything on this phishing emails. Okay, so I just minimize this notepad and I show you how to report the phishing's email. Okay, so simply select the first email those you want to report as a phishing emails. Okay, so I select this email, then go to the home tab. In the report group have a report option. Just click on this drop down arrow, and here the first option is report phishing. Just click on it, and here the one dialog box is pop up, report phishing. Reporting phishing scams helps keep your and other people's personal information safer. Okay, just click on the report, and that's it. You just done. This is the way you can easily report the phishing. Okay, so hope you understood what is the phishing emails and how it's reports. If you like this, please subscribe. Thank you so much.